Welcome students. This is 8th lecture of reproduction in lower and higher animals. In this lecture we are going to study about the process of gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the synthesis of gametes from germinal epithelial tissue. In case of male this process is called as spermatogenesis and in case of female this process is called as oogenesis. Then see here definition of gametogenesis. It is the process of formation of gametes in sexually reproducing animals called as gametogenesis. In case of male, the gametes are called as sperms and in case of female, the gametes are called as eggs. They are formed from primordial germ cells of the gonads. See here first process, that is spermatogenesis. What is definition of spermatogenesis? The process of formation of male gametes from germinal epithelium of testes called as spermatogenesis. Simply formation of sperm from testes called as spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis occurs in testes. Testes internally shows presence of many testicular lobules and within each lobule there is presence of a functional unit of the testis, that is seminiferous tubule. 2 to 4 seminiferous tubules are present in each testicular lobule and all these seminiferous tubules are internally lined by germinal epithelial tissue. See here, internal lining of the seminiferous tubule is germinal epithelium which undergoes meiosis division so as to produce sperm as a male gamete. In addition to this, Sertoli cells are also present within the seminiferous tubule. It gives food material or nourishes the developing sperms. Inside the seminiferous tubule, there are presence of different stages of spermatogenesis and the process of spermatogenesis occurs in this seminiferous tubule. Therefore, this seminiferous tubule is called as a structural and functional unit of the testis. See here phases of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis again divides into 3 phases. First phase multiplication phase, second one growth phase and third one maturation phase. During multiplication phase, primordial sperm cell divides mitotically so as to produce spermatogonia. Whereas during growth phase, growth of spermatogonia occurs and primary spermatocytes are formed. And during maturation phase, primary spermatocyte converts into mature sperms by the process of maturation and spermiogenesis. Then see here in this diagram, the process of spermatogenesis. First cell is called as primordial cell. See here, this is first cell called as primordial cell. It undergoes mitotic division so as to produces two daughter cells. Again, these daughter cells also redivides mitotically to forms the spermatogonia. So here diploid number remains constant. What is meaning of diploid? 2n means presence of double sets of chromosome. So the primordial sperm cell which shows presence of a double set of chromosome, again this number remains constant in the spermatogonia because this type of cell division is mitosis. All of you know the process of mitosis and definition of mitosis, that is one parental cell divides into two daughter cell having same number of chromosome. After that spermatogonia enters into the next phase, that is growth phase. This is second phase, that is growth phase. During growth phase only spermatogonia grows in size so as to form a primary spermatocyte. Due to accumulation of food material, the size of primary spermatocyte increases from that of the spermatogonia. Spermatogonia shows small size whereas primary spermatocyte shows presence of large size. This size increases because of the accumulation of the food material. After that, primary spermatocyte enters into the next phase, that is maturation phase. Third phase of spermatogenesis, that is maturation phase. During maturation, first meiotic division occurs and then metamorphosis occurs so as to form mature sperm. See here again, the primary spermatocyte divides into secondary spermatocyte by meiosis first. Therefore, primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis first so as to produce secondary spermatocyte, but here chromosome number get reduced. 2n number present in this primary spermatocyte, it get reduced into the haploid number, that is n number of chromosome. So here reduction of chromosome occurs during this meiosis first phase. So the meiosis first is the reductional cell division, whereas second cell division, that is second phase of meiosis, it is the similar to mitosis. Therefore secondary spermatocyte produces spermatids by the process of meiosis second, and these spermatids are also haploid. Secondary spermatocyte is also haploid. Here chromosome number remains constant. How many numbers are included in this n number? In case of human being, 2 sets of chromosomes are present in diploid number, that is 2n. Then 46 chromosome get reduces to the half in case of n number of chromosome. Therefore n number is nothing but the haploid chromosome which is present in secondary spermatocytes, spermatids and sperms also. See here again, these spermatids are non-motile sperms. It undergoes again maturation or metamorphosis so as to produce motile sperms called as spermatozoa. Spermatid undergoes process of spermiogenesis. See here again, spermatids undergoes process of spermiogenesis so as to produce mature sperm. It is also called as spermatozoa. During maturation, various changes occurs in these spermatids, and these changes are formation of length or increase in length of the spermatid, then arrangement of centrioles as a proximal and distal centrioles within the spermatid. Mitochondria become spirally coiled around the central axis, and acrosome is formed at the tip of this head region. So all these changes are occurs in spermatid, and then this spermatid is converted into mature sperm, or it is also called as spermatozoa. In this way, the formation of sperms occurs by these three methods. First phase, that is multiplication phase, second phase growth phase, and third one maturation phase. During maturation, first half shows presence of meiotic division and second half shows presence of spermiogenesis mechanism by which inactive spermatocyte converts into the active or motile sperms. So what are the sperms? Sperms are the male gametes. See here structure of the sperm. Each sperm shows presence of single celled motile microscopic elongated cell. This is single cell, start from head region and ends up to the tail region. The body of sperm divides into three parts, that is head, middle piece and tail region. The head shows presence of oval haploid nucleus. It is yellow colored here in this diagram. It is oval haploid nucleus. It shows presence of cap-like structure above the nucleus called as acrosome. This acrosome is formed from Golgi bodies of the spermatids, and this acrosome contains various lytic enzymes, that is hyaluronidase, zona, lysins and corona penetrating enzyme. All these enzymes are important for the process of fertilization, that is entry of the sperm into egg. Then next part, that is neck region. It is present in between head and middle piece. It contains shows presence of two centrioles, that is proximal centriole and distal centriole. Then next part, that is middle piece. It has an axial central located filament and which is surrounded by 10 to 14 spirally coiled mitochondria. See here, these are the mitochondria, and this mitochondria helps in production of energy in the form of ATP, and this ATP energy is supplied for the movement of the sperm. Therefore, middle piece shows presence of mitochondria which supplies energy for the movement of the sperms. The next piece, that is tail piece or tail. It is a long, slender and tapering part containing axial filament with cytoplasm. It shows presence of centrally located axial filament and it is surrounded by cytoplasm. Then axial filament arises from the distal centriole. See here, distal centriole. From this distal centriole, the axial part is originated and it travels up to the tip of the sperm. Then it is surrounded by plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? It is the cell membrane of the tail region, and it is absent and present at some part of the tail region. So at the part at which this plasma membrane is present is called as main piece or principal piece, and the part at which this plasma membrane is absent is called as a end piece of the sperm. In this way, today we have completed the process of spermatogenesis as well as structure of the sperm. Then questions on gametogenesis have been asked frequently. Therefore, this point is very important for examination point of view. Some questions are: write short note on spermatogenesis, explain different phases of spermatogenesis, write short note on structure of sperm, draw a neat labeled diagram of sperm. These are the some sample questions that are asked. In this way, today we have completed the process of spermatogenesis as well as structure of sperm. Thank you.